Since 1945, TrueNorth Steel has been providing quality steel products to its customers. One of the reasons for this continued success can be attributed to their talented and hard-working welders. Across the organization, welders lend their skill to the fabrication of many different product lines, including structures, bridges, culvert systems, storage tanks, rails, stairs, and more. Welders typically work in teams, following the direction of their supervisor for their scheduled shift. Although the majority of welding done at TrueNorth Steel is gas metal arc welding, processes may vary by product line or site. Welders are responsible for safely and efficiently operating various types of welding equipment and tools. Some welding experience is necessary, whether that is through a training program, trade school, self-taught, or on the job. Being able to read and interpret blueprints and weld symbols is an important part of the job and will make a candidate stand out from their peers. Performing a standardized weld test at the site is often a prerequisite to competing for a welding position at TrueNorth Steel. Career progression is available to welders as they master the required welding and fabrication processes. The position will work year-round in a safe shop environment, working closely with their fellow game changers. To learn more, go to TrueNorthSteel.com/careers.